Shiba Inu Coin is doing extremely well to maintain these levels around 780 to 800 points per coin, and you're going to see why in a second here, because it has a lot to do with the amount of people that are going from negative to positive holdings in Shiba Inu Coin right at that 800 point per coin mark. Now 800 is going to be interesting, but guys, we are coming up on a level of potential resistance where accounts are going to be turning from red to green that could lead to one of two things: a massive amount of profit taking because people are finally back in the green, or a huge rally as this barrier in Shiba Inu Coin is broken. We are talking hundreds of trillions of Shiba Inu Coin coming back into the money, and it's going to happen very quickly with the next leg up. So we're going to be discussing that in this video, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're going to be earning that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you could buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, honestly, before I jump into this, I've got something on my mind about this Paul Zone token. You know, the one that was endorsed by the official Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team? You know, that fight that they had going on back several months ago about between Paul Swap and Paul Zone? Dude, I feel absolutely horrible that the leaders of Paul Zone decided to go out there, essentially rug the project of nearly $600,000 and cause a 50% decline for everybody. And you know, they say they were fully transparent, that they were going to be selling some of those tokens, not every single token in that wallet. And by doing so, they sold off of 100 billion Paul Zone. And it caused a 50% decline in their token, meaning that thousands of people that are holding that cryptocurrency suffered a 50% loss. Now, they say that it's for development. It sounds like it's for development of a brand new home, if you ask me, because after doing so, that wallet went out and it repurchased 76 billion Paul Zone at half the price. Now, that $76 billion Paul Zone purchase did not increase the price of Paul Zone back up. It was simply to take advantage of the situation. So, I mean, guys, you talk about these scam coins out there, and you talk about the ecosystem not willing to endorse projects because they're a scam, This is an ecosystem-endorsed project that sold off of 100 billion of its supply, dumped the price 50%, and essentially took advantage of holders. So I watch out for that one, man. That's all I gotta say. If you guys are owning or if you held Paul Zone, I feel terrible on that situation right there. Satoshi must have some explaining to do on that one. I'm going to jump into this article because this does mean that Shiba Inu Coin can move a lot higher with just a little bit of a bounce. It says, Silver Lining presents as Shiba Inu Coin nears gigantic barrier. Shiba Inu is close to taking on the biggest and most important price barrier in its upward ascent. This is because a complete takeover of this barrier might spur 100% gains for Shiba Inu Coin based in currency prices. Now, I actually agree with that, right? I do agree that if this level gets broken, you could see 100+% gains. At the time of writing, SHIB was up about 2.79% to around 790 points per coin. Very close to where Shiba Inu trades is a minute barrier. 1.26 trillion SHIB were bought by roughly 4,440 addresses at that 800 point per coin level. Okay, So we do have a little bit of resistance there. Wallets are going from into negative territory, into positive territory at that 800 point per coin mark. It is a significant level of resistance, but listen to the amount of Shiba Inu coin held in this next range. Given that this is just a minuscule level, Shiba Inu bulls might take this level with ease, but the real challenge lies ahead. Looming in front of Shiba Inu coin bulls is a gigantic price barrier. Now this represents the biggest among the red clusters, which indicates a SHIB price resistance. This range will run from 800 points per coin to 1,400 points per coin. There are 430,600 Shiba Inu addresses with a massive 298 trillion Shiba Inu coin. Now guys, this massive amount of SHIB was purchased at an average price of 1,000 points per coin. It is not just significant based on burning that zero. It is not just significant because it's a nice emotional round number. There are 298 trillion Shiba Inu coin with that average price of 1,000 points per coin. Guys, if we can break through that 1,000 point per coin mark, so many wallets are going to be going into positive territory. People are going to be in the money that it's going to cause one of two things. People are going to get excited again. They're finally going to be profitable on their Shiba Inu coin. People profitable on their Shiba Inu coin are going to tell other people to buy Shiba Inu coin. And it could cause some sort of a FOMO event where we take off to the next level and absolutely begin to test higher highs. Now, of course, if people are beaten down, if they've been holding Shiba Inu coin so long that all they want to do is see some green and get out, it could cause another sell-off at that level and prove to be resistance once more. Guys, 298 trillion Shiba Inu coin is a little over half of the supply. That is insane to think that 50% of the wallets could be going into positive territory. 50% of the Shiba Inu coin could be going into positive territory as we cross over that 1,000 point per coin mark. This could absolutely lead to the next bull leg up. It could absolutely lead to a technical break to the upside, and it could absolutely lead to a lot of excitement in the cryptocurrency space. We just have to make it through. Now it says this price range is expected to see high selling pressure because many of these addresses will want to sell when the market price reaches their average cost and break even on their positions. This will function as a barrier, and absolutely. A lot of people, and it depends on who you are, how long you've been in Shiba Inu coin, and what your intentions are. A lot of people are upset that they've been down, and as soon as they get back into the green, I'm out. I'm not touching it again. And unfortunately, that will be the mentality for a lot of people. So we're going to have to see how this plays out. But Shiba Inu coin could, absolutely go on a tear here very soon if it breaks up through that 1,000 point per coin mark. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below. Will you be holding through 1,000 points per coin, or are you going to be taking some profits at 1,000 points per coin? Let us know, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.